people, welcome back to today's video. Hope you all are doing well. Now let me share one good news with all of you guys. If you're suffering from acne scars, blackheads, redness, then you have clicked into the right video. I know that you're looking for a solution and I have come up with one. So yeah, without wasting any more time, let's get into the video. Now the good news is to fight back all of these skincare problems. I have got my hero ingredient with me, which is salicylic acid, and it is also known as BHA. Now this salicylic acid is an active which exfoliates the top layer of our skin. It gets into the pores, it clears the pores, it unclogs the pores, and it removes all the dead skins. Now that's the reason everyone is talking about this ingredient nowadays, because it is so effective, guys. And if you're suffering from acne scars, and if you're going to a dermatologist, then that person is also going to tell you to incorporate the salicylic acid in your skincare regime. Now guys, let me tell you that I'm so happy to get this L'Oreal Paris Revitalift Crystal Gel Cream. Now this is their new addition to their crystal range. So long I was only using their Crystal Micro Essence, and oh my god, I simply love it. Nowadays what I'm doing, I am using both of these products in my skincare regime daily. Now the wow factor of this crystal gel cream is it is powered by salicylic acid. Nowadays in the market you will not find any major salicylic acid gel cream, guys, and this is what makes the product so unique. Now this crystal gel cream has an oil-free water-based formula. It locks the moisture inside your skin without leaving any excess oil on your skin, because that is very important, guys. If there is excess oil on your skin, it will eventually lead to breakouts, and this gel is very lightweight, let me tell you, and it feels so comfortable. It is so moisturizing, but it is not at all sticky. Now guys, let me show you how I love to use this product in my skincare regime. I am starting off with my clean face, then I am taking 3 or 4 drops of this Crystal Micro Essence and dabbing it gently all over my face. Now this has become one of my cult favorite products, and it's also clinically and dermatologically tested. Now I will be taking a pea-sized amount of this crystal gel cream and massage it all over my face. This method is really very simple and super effective to get a clean and clear skin. Now the plus point of the gel cream is it is free from parabens, it is free from synthetic dyes, it is not having any colorants, and it is not comedogenic, and this gel cream is validated and endorsed by Dr. Ophelia, who is a world famous award-winning dermatologist. Now I am using this crystal gel cream for quite a long time, and I am super impressed with the results, and this is how my skin looks: healthy, plump, happy, and crystal clear. Now this gel cream is available in 2 sizes. The 15 ml one will cost you rupees 299 and the 50 ml one will cost you rupees 699. All the links are given in the description box. Make sure to check it out. And guys, if you have liked this video and found this video helpful, please make sure to subscribe to my channel. See you all in my next video. Until then, tada, take care. Bye bye.